Hello guys, hope you're all doing great. As for me, I don't really feel good, but just gotta do this video, and that's because I just received another payout. Yeah, I just received another payout, and remember last week, my last few videos was about payout as well. That was on my 5K account, but this time around I received the payout on my 15K account. And if you watched my last video, you notice that I talked about how I want to be able to get something out of that account before the timeline elapsed. And the timeline I said will elapse on Tuesday. So I really tried my best to pull out of drawdown by Monday so that I can get something on Tuesday. And then my trading period will reduce from 30 days to 14 days. So from 1 month to 2 weeks. And that's what happened. Yes, so and that was how I was able to get a payout. The payout wasn't really much. It was $40. Yeah, but then I got my refund feedback as well. Okay, so let me just quickly show you my account and show you the payout, show you everything, show you the balance. As you can see right now, I'm already in drawdown on the 15K account, a drawdown of $400, which is I think around 3% or slightly less. I'm on drawdown as well on my 5K account, which is this is 49. That's 2% drawdown. It's not really a lot. I can pull out of this drawdown next week. Yeah, if all goes well, I can pull out of this drawdown next week. Okay, so this is the account, the 15K account where I got payout on, and I will just quickly open it and show you guys the account. And I really have a lot to say about his account because, like I said last week, it was in drawdown for a good 4 weeks, or should I say 3 weeks. So in drawdown for 3 weeks, and if I show you my trading overview, you would see that immediately. If I show you my analytics, you will see that it was in drawdown all the way. This is 15K on February 11th, and it was in drawdown up to 25th of February. I think that was a 2 week period, and within the next 2 weeks, I was able to gradually drag myself out of drawdown and get some payout, get a little payout out of it, and then it's back in drawdown again. But you can see the graph is upward, so I want to believe that the graph would continue to go upwards next week from here. Yeah, because I really need to get something tangible from this account. It's just my 5K account I've been getting payout from, and like I said before, the money is not really that tangible to me to do something reasonable. So, but this 15K, at least if I get a good payout of maybe 4 to 5% of 15K, that's $750, which is fair. Yeah, it's enough for me to do something, maybe buy some things in my apartment. Because as you guys will soon see, my home tour is still a bit empty, and I need to fill it up quickly. Okay, so I'll quickly go into this payouts section at the left here, so you can see how much I've earned so far. So this is the last payout I got. It's a combination of these two. Remember, on Fundednext, once you cross your challenges and get funded, you will get your the amount you use to buy the payout, you get it refunded, and that's what happened here. So I got my refund of $119, which is the cost of a 15K prop account with them, a stellar account by the way. Then I got a payout of $31 after they removed their 20%. So my actual payout was $40, around $39.40, but I got 31.8. So that's my payout. My payout that came on Tuesday. Yeah, remember this is the last one I talked about last week, the $120 I got. But you can see it's just 100, just this big money that is 500. So it's money, but not tangible money to me. But if you look at the top right here, you see that I've earned a total of $1,120. And this has been since November that I started, I became profitable trading with props. So I've earned $1,120. I think I need to do a video about this, how I turned my $32 into $1,120, because I actually started with $32, and you can see that I've made times 10. This is more than times 10. This is more like times 30 or times 40 of that amount. So If you know what you're doing, definitely you get payouts trading. So that's for payout. Let me see if I can. I don't think the certificate is out yet. That's the thing with Fundednext. The certificate takes time to come out. I don't know why. Okay, I think it's this one came out pretty quickly. $150 already. Out of this $150, my balance in it, the money I spent to get the account was 119. So the actual profit isn't really much, but it's all good. So that's it for um my funded accounts. I have two funded accounts. Definitely, I'm sure you know that already. These two. I don't have any challenge account for the past like 3 weeks. I've not had a challenge. 4 weeks. Yeah, I've not had a challenge account, which is, I won't say it's good. Maybe not too good, but it's good. And I'm in drawdown 2.6%, which I can see is just because just one trade can take me back above break even, so it's fine. All right, so I'll quickly go into my trading view account and show you what the trades I took over the week and how it all went. All right, guys, I'm in my trading view account, and I will start with the trade that got me my payouts that brought me out of drawdown on Monday. Yeah, I will start with that because it's very important to see that I was able to come out of drawdown. Okay, so this is the trade I took on Monday that brought me out of drawdown, and initially I started. This is how my chart looked in the end, but I started with my stop loss being below here, and I got my entry somewhere around here. So I think this was my overall target, and the reason why I was bullish on USD card on Monday was because the market was bullish on Friday. So there was a bullish trend already in existence. If I won't shrink a lot further, you would see that the bullish trend started a long time ago. Then there was this area of consolidation, and then it resumed again. This is last week, and so you see we've broken above these previous highs, and then when price came back to this level, I expected it to act as a resistance. You see this previous high here, then when price breaks above here, comes back here, it should act as a support, I mean. And so that was the main reason why I was interested in buying this market on Monday. So if you come to 15 minutes, okay, this is the trade here. If you come to 15 minutes, you would notice that there was this push upwards on Friday, then it consolidated all through Monday morning, and as at 10-11 a.m. on Monday, it started showing some bullish tendencies. And if you look this way, you would see some strong bullish candles breaking over this resistance. So the moment it broke over the resistance, I knew that on coming back to this resistance, you should be able to get a trade out of it. And so, I was watching it, so I saw when it happened. So the moment the price came back here, and I saw that it was about to continue moving again, I entered my position. I remember at this point, I already calculated all my lot sizing and everything. So it wasn't fire brigade approach again. So I didn't have to now start calculating and then the price will leave me. You can see how fast it left this level. So the moment the price got here and I saw that it was about to continue, and I already knew that I was going to put my stop loss below everything here because I just wanted to be safe. I remember I just needed a little amount of money to come out of drawdown that day. So I just put my stop loss below everything, and then the price respected my direction and continued to move. And this is here is showing 3.41%, but I didn't drive it all the way to this high. I exited somewhere around here for 2%, and that was how I was able to cross to get a payout on that account. And this other one, I saw an opportunity to scale up the trade here, even though I ended up exiting a bit early because it spent a lot of time here, like wanted to break back below, and I didn't want anything that would take me back to break even, so I just closed the whole trade somewhere around the same level for everything. So I just got maybe a few dollars from here, but the major profit came from this first trade here. So that was my trade. This was a trade that actually made me get a payout on that 15k account. Then on, I think it was on Wednesday, I took a trade on pound USD as well. So if you see here, I took this trade on pound USD, and this was, I think it was the first loss I had on my new account, and you can see I was brutally stop hunted. Well, not that it would have gotten to my highs, but I typically don't leave my trades overnight, so definitely I would have exited somewhere around here. Yeah, I would have exited somewhere around here if it had respected my entry somewhere around there. And the reason why I took this trade is because, just like I always say, I get a break above a level, I get a pullback, I'm interested in that level. So I don't even know why I didn't take this one. Maybe I just didn't see it, or I was skeptical. Because if I had seen it, then definitely this would have been a very good trade that would have fetched the money I needed for that day. Yeah, but when it came back again, or maybe there was a news too, and maybe that was the reason why I just slowed down a bit. I don't know, because this is definitely a news candle. So, but when it came back to this level, so I marked here as my new resistance turn support this time. So I marked here, and that was the reason why I was interested in taking this trade. When he made this red candle down here, I took the trade, and that was how I ran straight to stop loss. Definitely, you win some and you lose some. So that was my trade for Wednesday, pound USD, and maybe I should just scroll back a bit so you can see the reason why I was just interested in a buy, and you can see that pound USD has been bullish. So, and that was the reason why I really wanted to buy this pair that day, but sadly it didn't play out. Then the rest of the week, I was just focused on USD card. I don't know, maybe because USD card paid me like 3 times last week, so I was heavily focused on it, and it was responsible for the rest of my losses last week. And as you can see, this is Wednesday. It was pound USD I took on Wednesday, so I didn't actually do anything here. Remember on Monday I already took this trade that got me payouts too. So on Thursday, this is Thursday, I took this USD card sell, but sadly it didn't play out. It took me out at break even. As you can see, it was already moving and I was already happy. But was this break even or even stop loss? I think it was break even. But then I re-entered. Yeah, that was what happened. It was break even at first. Then I re-entered here when I thought that the market was about to continue moving, and then that one hit me at stop loss. So on 1 hour time frame, you can see that it was bullish this period. Remember, I took some trades here that got me some good money. It was bullish, and then when it came back below this level, I felt that the bullish trend will continue. Although if you look at 4 hours, it looked bearish at some point. So I don't even know why I was still being bullish on the pair. Because if you look here, let's do an analysis. Okay, so let's do a quick analysis here. This is the 4 hour time frame, remember. I will start from here. So from here you see that there is a move down. I think I should take out this magnet. So you see that there was a move down. Then from here you'll see that it broke above this previous level. Then next you see that it retested this previous level that was broken, and then next you see that it broke above this current level this time around. This is a very clean market structure. Then it retested here, it tested this level. Yeah, it retested this level that had been broken already from this past place. Then this time around it broke above this previous level. This is the last level that was broken before market made a shift. So it broke above this level. You can see if I match this correctly, You see there is a break. It closed above it, so it was a break. And then what happened? The next thing that happened was that it broke back below. It broke back below this level here, this major level. So then it's supposed to be a bearish market at this point in time. So I shouldn't be buying anymore. If I'm not sure if I was going to sell, I should just sit out. But for some reason, I was just overly interested in the buy, and I think that was what fetched me my losses on Thursday and Friday, because as at this point that the market had broken here, I should be looking for sales. And you can see what happens. It just pulled back up to this high level, and from then it started selling. So from here, it is. I think the next thing it's going to do is to break this this previous support. Is this support? Yeah, to break this previous support now and continue his downward trend. And that was why I took losses on Wednesday and Thursday, and Friday on this USD card. Even on Friday, okay, you can see that the market structure is clean here. So there's a break below this level right now with this move, and so I should be expecting a retracement towards this level. So I should be expecting a retracement back towards this level and continuation downwards. I shouldn't be buying here based on high time frame. Maybe on lower time frame it looked bullish. Maybe on lower time frame it looked okay. Of course, it did look bullish on lower time frame. You can see move upward, breaking below this level, pull back, and that move upward, breaking above. I mean, breaking above this level. And then, so that's what I was expecting, to make another push to break above this level. But then on a higher time frame, it's bearish. So I shouldn't be buying anymore. Yeah, I should be selling. That was the mistake I made on this trade on Friday. And you can see I got punished for it. I lost 1 hour to this. And so I just decided to relax. I could have maybe forced some trades, maybe try to look for a sell from somewhere around it. But I just decided to relax. That's one thing about trading. You need to know when to relax. You can't rush it, and you can't rush the market. So if the market will not pay you today, just chill, take it, and come back another day. Another day definitely to pay you. That's how I've been able to. That was one of my risk management strategies actually. Even when I was down for 2 good weeks on my 15K account, I panicked. Yeah, I felt bad, but I was able to pull myself together, and I was able to come out of it. So, and this is one skill a lot of traders do not have. That's why you see yourself losing accounts, because you cannot manage your emotions. You have to be able to manage your emotions. You have to be calm at all times. It's difficult, it's hard, but that's how you are going to become profitable. If you don't make money today, you make money tomorrow. That's the mindset you should have, and that's the mindset that has seen me through. So that's it, guys. This is how I've been able to get payout on my 15K account, and I'm really hoping that I can get another payout on it before the next 14-day trading period. If I can get another payout on it, I'll be very happy. Then I can get my 100K account. But for now, I can't. I don't have any challenge accounts, and I'm not going to have any challenge accounts until I get a tangible payout from the 15K account, because you actually need a backup. If you're going to buy a trading account, you need backup funds, because you may lose that account, and if you lose that account, you don't want to go and start from square zero again. So, and that's the reason why you see I've not spent. I have the money. You can see my balance is $1,000. Although that's what you have on the screen there, but the real amount after some deductions and all that is around 800, which is enough to get a 100K account. But I just want to get something from that 15K account first to serve as further backing to my funds before I go for the 100K account. Alright guys, so that's all I have to share today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, give me a thumbs up, like, share with your friends, subscribe. There are a lot of you that have refused to subscribe. They're just watching the videos, saying, can this guy really go all the way? Yeah, I'm determined to go all the way, and I have my plan already, which I will always link to. My plan to make 100K this year, which is still very possible. We are just in the middle point of March, and we have at least 9 months to go. Is it 9 or 8 months plus to go? So it's very possible once I get my 100K account, that will be a stepping stone to greater things, because then you can get payouts of $1,000, 3,000, 4,000. If I get a payout of $2,000, this house will change now. Not that it's looking bad anyway, but definitely it will change. All right, guys. See you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.